It begins with a tiny pomegranate seed resting in rich, fertile soil. With warmth and gentle watering, the seed slowly awakens, sending roots deep into the earth, while a small green shoot emerges, reaching toward the sunlight. The young plant grows steadily taller, its stem gradually becoming stronger and thicker as slender branches begin to form. Over time, the plant transforms into a woody tree with numerous branches and a canopy of lush green leaves that move softly in the breeze. As the tree matures, vivid red-orange flowers start appearing along the branches, blooming gradually in stages, creating a stunning display. After pollination, these flowers slowly develop into small green pomegranates. As the fruits continue to grow, they reach full size and slowly turn a deep, vibrant red under the sun, signaling they are ready for harvest.